Hey guys, back to a new video. Today I'm here inside Subaru Solterra. This is the first SUV, electric SUV, full electric SUV made by Subaru, and it's a very interesting car. And if you want to see also the full review and the test drive will come probably next weeks. So stay tuned guys, click the subscribe button to see the notification when the test drive and the full review will come with this Subaru Solterra. But until then, I have another video with the car on my channel, interior, exterior, everything, and this video which I will explain you full multimedia system, cockpit, and also the interior here in the front. First of all, I want to start with the view. I think this is a very disgustable thing, because the view from here, the steering wheel, it's kind of in your view, and many people complain about that in Peugeot cars already. And if you look right here, you can adjust the steering wheel up, down, forward, backward, depend how you want. But also you can adjust your seat, so you can put your seat a little bit higher. You can see right now it goes higher, and if you put your seat higher and steering wheel a little bit lower, then you will see that you will have a good visibility directly right there in the cockpit. This is my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but it's not something that should bother you if you put your steering wheel all the way down. So in my opinion, it's a nice driving position. I can drive, I can get used with this position, and to be honest, I don't know how safe it is from the point of view of an accident to have the steering wheel a little bit lower like that. But if this is safe, guys, if this is safe, I think it's a much more relaxing position to drive with your hands down and not with your hands up, if you understand what I mean. I mean, when you drive, you have your hands up, you will have some pain in your shoulder a little bit after many kilometers. But if your hands is down, will be much more easier to drive and much more comfortable. And I like that position. And even in Peugeot cars, I love this position to drive with the steering wheel down. So in my opinion, it's a great position and it's easy to drive. Leave me in the comment your opinion, guys. I'm really looking forward to hear from you. Now guys, with what to start? Steering wheel, very nice, very good grip, very good quality. I like the fact that we have physical buttons here where you can adjust different things in the cockpit right there. I will show you in a second. And also on the right side, the same physical button for different modes in the multimedia system. And also up here we have all that safety features, adaptive cruise control, emergency brake, lane assist, and stuff like that. Now guys, if we go forward, in the front there you will see the digital cockpit that is very similar with what we find in Toyota BZ4X that I also review on my channel. If you want to see it, check it out. And there you can see a lot of information about driving, about the power, about the range, how much range you have, the distance that you drive. Also on the left side you can see the messages, you can see the consumption of the car until now. You can reset it, of course. Also you can see direction here, adaptive cruise control information, the media. Also here you can see the trip and information about driving, the tire pressure, and also the all-wheel drive information while you're driving. It shows you a nice graphic there of what happened with the wheels in real time. Now here you have all the safety features. You can turn it on and off. You can see all are on right now in this moment. And from here you can also go in settings, the settings of the car, where you will find a lot of useful things. You have to press OK, and then you go in these settings and you can change here also a few other information. Anyway, this is the screen. It's a simple screen, the same one as Toyota use it on the big SUV, electric SUV that they take on the market also last month. In the middle, center console, everything, details, and even down there you have some USB and some storage space. You will see in the full review video. Now here you have also some buttons. One pedal drive, by the way. It comes also with this nice gear shifter that you find it also in the Toyota BZ4X. Is the same system, and also it's the, from what I know, a lot of things here are the same. For example, the multimedia is the same, and even the power, the motors and battery and all that system, it kind of share it with Toyota. So now here on the right side you have a few buttons. Here when you see this X mode, when you press it, you will go in snow and dirt mode. If you press it one more time, deep snow and mud. So you have kind of a 404 electric car, if I could say like that. Then we have up here driving mode. You have like kind of free driving mode. You have power mode, eco mode, and normal mode when you see nothing on the screen. View here, you can see this view, 360 degrees view. That we have it also on Toyota cars. Probably you see it before on my reviews, on my videos. And it's a nice feature, and it's a nice to see what is around the car, but it's not something extraordinary, if I could say like that. Also, of course, the car comes with a reverse camera, but in order to do that, you have to press the brake, you have to go in reverse, and now you can see the camera and also 360 degrees what happened around the car. And from this point of view, it's really cool. So I like the camera, they are very useful. Anyway, big screen. Actually, I think if I'm not wrong, it's even bigger than what we find on Toyota BZ4X. And if you see, we have a great visibility here. This is navigation. It's a night mode right now because I think the sensors think it's night outside, and that's why. But it's a very good navigation, and I noticed that it's much more responsive. The same it's also on the Toyota BZ4X, and you can see that you can choose your destination, and you will see that it will actually load very fast, and it's quite useful, and it's a very nice.
The route guidance will start now.
Yes, it's a nice navigation. So nothing to say about that. Toyota really improved, and also Subaru now they improved this multimedia system, and Subaru use it as well, and it's much better than it was before. Here on the left side we have some shortcut buttons like navigation, multimedia here, telephone. Here we have the car information like history, like consumption. You can clear it out if you want to. If you go even forward here, we have the web browser because the car is connected to the internet, can connect to the internet, and this is good. And here on the settings, we have all the settings of the car, like personal information, Bluetooth and device. We have also the general information like date and time, keyboard, units, and language, kilometer, miles. You can change all those settings from here, very simple. The Wi-Fi, the display information, the camera, and settings, a lot of settings here, navigation settings, you find it here. Also the voice and search, vehicle customizable things like lights and doors and board and exit, charging things, charge limit, you can charge it from here, climatic system, utility, for example. If you go to charge here, you can see from here, you can see I want to charge it only to 90%, and this is very recommended to do on your car actually. Good. Down here we have a great combination between touch screen buttons and physical button on the climatic system, and I like it. The temperature you can change it from here, physical, up and down. The vent speed the same, so you can do while you're driving, it's great. But if you want to access heating seats or heating steering wheel or other things, you have to access it manually. So yeah, it's nice. Here you can turn it off. You just put your finger right here. Overall, it's a nice system. It feels good. It looks nice. Down here we have another physical button for the brightness of the cockpit. So you can change the brightness from down here. And here you can see also the trip A, trip B, and how many kilometers the car have. So overall, the last thing that I want to show you is the fact that this is the mirror. It's a nice mirror, but if you pull this like that, you will have a reverse camera there in your mirror. So this is an extra cool feature that Toyota also use it on many cars, and it's great. And what was surprising for me, you can see how good the resolution it is. I mean, look at the resolution. It's really great. You can see really clear. You can even make the difference between looking in the mirror or looking in real or looking in this camera in the back there. It's very good, and it's working in real time. I mean, it's one of the best reverse camera that I see. So I was super impressed. Anyway guys, I hope I cover everything. If you still have questions, ask me down below, wherever you want to ask, guys. I'm really happy and to answer you if you still have questions. Thank you very much for watching my video. Sorry because I'm a little bit tired and maybe I misspelled some words. I will explain you why I'm tired. I will make a separate video next days. Really interesting video, so stay close. Anyway, if you want to see the test drive, full review and more information about this car, I wait till next days on the channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to see the notification when other video will come out. Thank you for watching. To all of you, stay safe and see you soon. Bye guys.